How do I get someone access to my GoDaddy account without giving them my password? It shouldn't be this hard.
Easy, let me show you.
At some point, you're probably going to need to let someone else work inside your GoDaddy account. Maybe it's a web designer, a developer, your marketing agency, or even a family member helping you out. And when that happens, most people do the same thing. They just hand over their username and password. Please don't do that. There's a much better way, and I'm going to walk you through it. GoDaddy has a built-in feature called Delegate Access. It lets another person work inside your account without you ever having to give them your password. They log in with their own GoDaddy account, they see what they need to see, they do their job, and you stay in complete control the whole time. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. It's completely free. No upgrades, no monthly fees. It's just part of your account. Now let's talk about why this matters. When you share your password, that person can see everything. Your billing information, your personal details, every product you own. And if you ever need to cut off their access, you have to change your entire password. With Delegate Access, removing someone takes about 5 seconds. You just go in, click, remove, and they're out. No password change needed. There are 2 ways to set this up, depending on your situation. The first is called Invite to Access. This is when you know who needs to get in and you want to be the one to initiate it. You log into GoDaddy, go to your account settings, click on Delegate Access, and then Invite to Access. You enter their email address, choose what level of access they get, either full access to your products and settings or a more limited products-only view, and you send the invite. They get an email, they accept it, and from that point on, they can log into your account using their own credentials. The second option is called Request Access. This one works the other way around. Say a developer reaches out and says they need to get into your account. Instead of you hunting down their info and inviting them, they go into their own GoDaddy account and send you a request. You'll get a notification, you review it, and you either approve it or deny it. You're still the one deciding who gets in. A lot of people ask about privacy. Specifically, what can this person actually see once they're in? The short answer is they cannot see your billing information, your payment methods, your password, or anything related to account ownership. They get access to your products, things like your domain, your hosting, your email, your website builder, but your sensitive information stays completely private. A few questions that come up a lot. Does the person need their own GoDaddy account? Yes, they do. It's free to create one, but they will need it. Can you add more than one person? Absolutely. You can have multiple delegates with different access levels. Can a delegate take over your account or change your password? No, that's not possible. And again, if you ever want to remove someone, it's instant. Just go to Delegate Access, find their name, and click Remove. So that's it. Delegate Access is the right way to share access to your GoDaddy account. It protects your information, keeps you in control, costs nothing extra, and makes collaboration a whole lot cleaner than passing around a password. If you need help setting it up, GoDaddy's support team is available around the clock. Or you can find step-by-step guides at godaddy.com/help.
Wait, that's it? That's it! Why did I make this so complicated in my head? Okay, if this helped you, drop a comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys!
When tech feels heavy and hard to know, I got you covered, call Miss Technical.